Feeling stuck? You're not alone. Many people feel stuck. They work hard, they pay bills, but they don't get ahead. It's like a hamster wheel. You're running, but going nowhere. This is the middle-class trap. It's easy to fall into. You're told to go to school, get a good job, buy a house, but what happens? The job pays okay, but the bills pile up. The house feels more like a burden than a blessing. Don't worry, there's hope. You don't need a rich family to build wealth. You don't need a fancy degree. What you need is financial knowledge. You need to understand how money works. Once you do, you can make it work for you. It all starts with a simple idea: spend less than you earn. This sounds easy, but it's where most people stumble. They let their lifestyle inflate with their income. Don't fall into this trap. Live below your means. Save aggressively. This is the first step to breaking free. Remember, you are in control of your financial future. It's time to take charge and build the life you deserve. Let's get started. Let me tell you about Sarah. Growing up, money was tight, but Sarah was a go-getter. At 8 years old, she started a lemonade stand. It was a small thing, but it taught her a valuable lesson. Money is made by selling something of value. Fast forward to high school. Sarah worked part-time at a grocery store. She saved every penny. Then she used her savings to buy a used lawnmower. She started mowing lawns. Soon, she had more customers than she could handle. Sarah's story is about more than lemonade and lawns. It's about understanding how to make money work. She didn't start with much, but she had drive and a willingness to learn. She took small steps, reinvested her earnings, and built something bigger. This is the power of financial education. It's not about memorizing numbers, it's about understanding the principles of wealth building. It's about taking action, even if it's just a small step. Let's talk about cash flow. Imagine a pipe. Money comes in one end, income. It goes out the other, expenses. If more money comes in than goes out, you have positive cash flow. That's good. It means you have money to save and invest. But if more money goes out than comes in, you have negative cash flow. This is dangerous. It leads to debt and financial stress. The wealthy understand this. They focus on creating multiple streams of income. They make their money work hard for them. Think of it like this. A job is like a single faucet. It provides one stream of income. But what happens if the faucet runs dry? You're in trouble. The wealthy build multiple faucets. They invest in real estate, stocks, businesses. They create a steady flow of income, even when one faucet slows down. Remember, cash flow is king. It's the lifeblood of your finances. Master it, and you're on your way to financial freedom. Section 4. Assets, your wealth-building warriors. Now let's talk about assets. Assets are things that put money in your pocket. Liabilities are things that take money out. Understanding the difference is crucial. A house, for example, can be an asset or a liability. If you rent it out for more than the mortgage, taxes, and upkeep, it's an asset. It's generating positive cash flow. But if you're paying more than you earn from it, it's a liability. It's draining your finances. Other examples of assets include stocks, owning a piece of a company that can grow in value. Bonds, lending money to a government or company in exchange for interest payments. Real estate, rental properties, land, or commercial buildings. Businesses, your own company, or a stake in someone else's. Remember, building wealth is about acquiring assets that generate cash flow. These assets become your wealth-building warriors, working for you even while you sleep. Section 5. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Don't wait for the perfect time to start investing. The best time is now. Even small amounts, invested consistently, can grow over time. Remember Sarah and her lemonade stand? Small beginnings can lead to big results. Here are some tips to get you started. Educate yourself. Read books, listen to podcasts, and learn from reputable financial experts. Start small. Invest what you can afford, even if it's just a few dollars a week. Think long-term. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient and stay focused on your goals. Remember, building wealth is a journey. It takes time, effort, and discipline, but the rewards are worth it. Imagine a life where money is no longer a source of stress. Imagine having the freedom to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. This is the power of financial freedom. So, take control of your financial future today. Master your cash flow, build a portfolio of assets, and watch your wealth grow. You have the power to change your financial destiny.